Hello everybody, got a little project today. I've got this Lews Inshore speed spool that I'm going to be using on a Swimbait setup, and I got a little problem with it. This side plate can always be taken off because this retainer pin here was just never long enough. It's supposed to protrude right here, and it's supposed to protrude and land in that hole right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new retainer pin out of some aluminum. Stay with me and check it out. And this right here is the part that I need to make. I don't have any smaller. I have to see if I have some smaller aluminum. But all we have, we've got a head, a little shoulder, straight cylinder, and then a snap ring groove so that it's spring tensioned. And I just need to make this a little longer so that it will actually go across and hold that side cover on, because it always works this way off while I'm casting. So I'll bring you back in once we get some measurements on that. Alright, here we are at my lathe, and I've got my big 6-jaw chucked up in here. Problem is that my 6-jaw, I think, is just shy of being able to grab. Yeah, just shy of being able to grab my little piece of, this is 1/2 inch. So I don't have anything smaller than that, but that's okay. It won't take long to turn that down to the size I need. So I need to swap my chuck out. And when I swap my chuck out, I have all my other ones hiding up under here. I'm going to be using my small 3-jaw, but I need to get that off the hook first. Oh, none of them are very light. Alright, now that one's ready to go down there. Now I can grab my part. Now that part's that's a 1/2 inch stock, and I want to make that considerably longer so that I'll have some stick out. But I got a long ways to go, so I can just hog some material off right now and get down closer. Now, I'm not too worried about that surface finish because I have it unsupported right now. It needs to be supported, but I'm just trying to hog some material off. Well, you might call that a brittle fracture. So let's take a look in the scrap bin. We'll machine one out of there. Alright, and now my side plate won't come off anymore until I want it to. You can see it pops right in. For some reason they made that one just too short. Now I'm good to go.